everyone, I'm Emily and I'm going to be showing you the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Now, you're probably here for two reasons. One of them is that you have really dry lips and you want something to take care of that, or you want something really bougie and luxy to wear throughout the day over the top of lipstick and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you both of those things. So first of all, you'll see right away that compared to a lip gloss, this isn't maybe the best kind of traveling companion unless you put it in your purse. It's a little more bulky. So can you imagine like seeing this coming out of the back of your pocket? Like, no, not so much. So as far as like ease of carriage, I love to carry lip glosses in my pocket. I'm a lip gloss in the pocket kind of gal. This might not be your best friend, but what I do love about this is that if I keep it in the car, I live in the desert and it's super hot. So it doesn't melt very easily. It's a little more dense than like an oil-based lip gloss. For dry lips, this is amazing. It says it has antioxidants, check, and vitamin C. Now the thing about vitamin C is that I am very reactive to vitamin C. It makes me break out, I get hives, like it is no good to put ascorbic acid on my face. But in this, I don't experience any of that. I don't think that the formulation is strong enough. It doesn't have enough vitamin C in it to cause that kind of reaction. So if you're somebody who breaks out to vitamin C, then I think you're safe with this. You'll have to test it yourself, but I've never had a problem and I have problems with every single vitamin C. Okay, now let's look at the stickiness factor, the quality factor here. It's, have you ever taken a gummy bear and like squished it between your fingers so much until it becomes really smooth and tacky? That's what this feels like. Is it just me? Am I the only weird person on here? It's definitely a little thicker than a chapstick. Let me show you here. This is their lip balm. They're everyday. And the sticky factor on the lip balm from like 0 to 10, 10 being the stickiest like glue. The lip balm is like a 5-6 and the sleep mask is like a 3. So the sleep mask definitely has some stickiness to it, but not nearly as much as maybe a regular lip balm that you'd be used to. So let's put it on now. Now, I'm not shy with this. I'll tell you, I just cake it on because I don't wear this throughout the day. I don't use this as a lip balm. I use it at night when I go to sleep. It's really smooth. It's really nice. It smells really nice. See, my lips don't stick together. You don't get that weird stringiness that sometimes comes when you overdo it on lip balms. So it's a really nice balm. Something I really love to do underneath is to take the L'Oreal 10% glycolic acid. I'll clean my lips before I go to bed and put a little bit of this on until it dries, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. And then I just cake this on, like baste it on, and then I go to sleep. And you wake up and I never have that awful like dry lip crusty thing that happens. It happens. Like it gets dry and it happens to us. This has been amazing. I use it all the time. It's a really great combination, especially with a little bit of an exfoliator underneath.